want to give you a very short note about some issues we've been facing in the last time. If you want to add an episode description to your panel, we recommend to summarize the story in a minimal datasheet up front and upload that minimal datasheet. If you do so, always remember that Word files should be transformed into PDF files. Concerning the upload of CT or MRI scans, the current CPMS still offers the opportunity to upload Dicom studies and not singular Dicom files, but it's a bit hidden. So you'd have to click on Medical Documents and Attach File Image, and then you can click here on Dicom Studies and upload the whole Dicom study. If you do so, you won't have the mess with the hundreds of Dicom files within the attachments. Concerning the upload of histological scans, we recommend to use the format of SVS files. The viewer is still not working 100% properly, but if we continue to increase the demand, we will have a strong argument for the developers to get that in the correct working mode. Okay, let's have a look if our upload worked fine. As I said, our minimal datasheet here is empty since this is a test case. So the upload of the MRI worked fine. The upload of the minimal datasheet worked fine. Let's have a look if our upload of the histology. So this is a histological scan with a 20 times magnification, and the histological viewer for that works pretty well in my point of view. So we're done with the upload of the attachments, and always remember, inviting panel members and experts to your panel should be the last step when everything else is ready. Thank you very much.